It's showtime, sabay nang mapapanood sa GMA7, GTV. Selyado na ang pagiging kapuso ng It's Showtime, matapos maganap ang contract signing ng mga opisyal ng GMA at ABS-CBN nitong hapon, ika-20 ng Marso. Pinasalamatan ni ABS-CBN President and CEO Carlo Katigbak ang GMA executives sa naging mainit na pagtanggap sa kanila. "Thank you so much for welcoming us into your home. Cory, with honest, really wanted us to come here today to the GMA building because we wanted to prove to you how special this partnership is to us," ani Katigbak. "In our 30 years working in ABS, we have never walked through your doors. So thank you for this historic occasion," dagdag pa niya. Nagpasalamat din siya sa madlang people sa patuloy na suporta sa kanilang show. Kasabay nito'y inanunsyo ni Katigbak na simula April 6 sabay nang mapapanood ang It's Showtime sa GMA7 at GTV.